Enchanté.
Today we're making hot sauce. Hot sauce. It's gonna be hot. Let's have a look at this. Right, so we're in the kitchen. We're gonna go over to the worktop. I'm gonna chop up what we need for this hot sauce. I'm gonna use 20 chilies, which are Thai dragons and ring of fire. We're gonna chop them up, put them in, we're gonna sweat them in a pan with an onion, one large onion, so it's gonna be 2 small onions, and some garlic powder. The only reason we're using garlic powder is because the garlic we've been getting up the road is absolutely pants. It's all soft and squishy before you even get it out of the shop. So we've been using garlic powder because we know that that's, what's the word? Consistent every time you use it. So let's go over to the worktop and let's crack on. So I've got 20 chilies in here, Thai reds, ring of fires. So, I think, no, have I? So all I'm going to do with these is just chop them up rough. I'm not going to take the seeds out because we like that bit of extra heat, and this is going to be like a bit of a rustic sauce, so let's just chop these up like this. I'm just going to roughly chop these up. Put a splash of olive oil in there. Now this is dried garlic powder, so I want a half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon. So I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of garlic powder in there. Then I'm going to pop it on the hob and give it a little cook up. I'm now going to add in 2 chopped up tomatoes. I'm now going to add 340 grams of pineapple chunks along with the juice. Two tablespoons of brown sugar. Pinch of salt to taste. and 150 ml of apple cider vinegar. I'm going to bring that up to the boil now. Right, so that's been boiling now for a good long while. So what I'm going to do is just put it over on the back of the stove, just let it cool down, because it's quite hot at the minute. I don't want to be pouring that into the blender. Let it cool down a little bit, and then we'll pop it in the blender, and we should be back. With the help of my assistant Tina, we're going to put the contents of the saucepan in the blender.
This is where we wish we had a really big funnel. Can you pass me that spoon?
I'm just going to pulse it for a start. Now I'm just going to wind it up gently so we get it nice and smooth. So that's that, and we're going to transfer it back to the saucepan, and we're going to cook it up, bottle it, and can it. Alright, pour this back in there. I'm just going to gently boil that back up now. Normally you'd boil it up to boil off any excess so you could thicken the sauce. Well, this sauce it's quite thick as it is, and if it was any thicker than that, it'd have a job getting out of the bottle. So we're just going to cook it through gently, and then we're going to bottle it up and then seal the bottles. So Tina's already sterilised the bottles. They're inside that big vat thing over there. The sauce is about done. That's been boiling up nicely. Don't want to cook it up too much because it'll just get too thick. So do you reckon that's about it? So I'm going to knock the heat off. If you can grab this saucepan. The only reason Tina's doing this job is because the worktop's a bit high. But we're going to remedy that in the new kitchen. They are sterilised tongs, sterilised bottles, the funnel's sterilised as well. So there's a nice bottle, look. Nice sterilised funnel. And the ladle's sterilised as well. And the lid. Look at that. Is it too chunky for the funnel?
Oh, there we go.
Oh no, there we go. And there you go. One bottle filled. Those bottles go back in the pan, and I'm just going to boil them on the stove, and that should sterilise them and heat seal them and all that kind of jazz. How long do we leave that for?
How does this boil in 5 minutes?
Bring to the boil 5 minutes, and that's pretty much good to go. And that is how I make hot sauce. That's boiling in the vat now. They're just sealing. What does it do, Tina? When you boil it?
Sealing it.
It's sealing the lid to the bottle.
Sealing the lid to the bottle, and as it cools down, the air, any air that's left, is sort of sealed in with it, I think, so that no extra air can get in with any bacteria, and the lid becomes solid.
Because you know, on the bottle lids and the jar lids, they've got a dimple. When you open them, they pop up, so you know they've been opened. Well, this method seals the bottles and the jars, and I suppose the air that's in it contracts, and it pulls that lid down, so you know the seal's not been broken, and it keeps for longer. So that's why we do that. So that's my hot sauce. I'm going to go and try a little bit out of the saucepan in a minute, and yeah, I think Tina wants to video it. Hang on. You can taste the pineapple in it. You can definitely taste the chillies in it. Oh.
Yeah, so it's not mild, is it?
No, that's not mild. Oh, that's quite nice. What's that going to go nice on?
Anything.
So it's quite sweet, isn't it?
Cheesecake.
Cheesecake. What are you on about? Cheesecake.
Yeah, well, somebody did that on Facebook.
That's really got a bit of zing to it.
That would be nice with chicken.
Yeah.
Nice. That would be nice with any meat, actually.
So yeah, that'll be interesting when that's cooled down. So
Drizzle it over cheesecake.
So first impressions of the sauce on the little taste test. That was very nice. Got quite a strong hint of pineapple come through, and quite a tingle from the chilies. So that was only 10 Ring of Fire and 10 Thai Dragons. Yeah, that was actually quite nice. Nice fruity sauce with a little bit of a fiery kick. We're gonna have to think of a name to market that. We're gonna let some people try it, see what they think, and if it's gonna be a goer, then we'll think of a name. So it's Thai Dragons, Ring of Fire and Pineapple. So let us know in the comments below what you think it should be called, and we'll come up with some ideas and pull a name out of the hat. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Please click the thumbs up, that all helps the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. And from me and her, it's bye for now.